Hello and welcome to this tutorial. And this tutorial we will discuss about points, how we can create manual points, and we will do some little bit introduction about the points. If we are going to create a points, we have a couple of ways we can create. First of all, we can just go to the perspective, and from here we can see this option, point option. We can right click on this, right click, and we can click on the create option from here. Once we click on the create option, this pop-up menu will open. We can see this pop-up menu from here. So it will be look like this, and you can click on this arrow, then you can make it like this, and you can see all the information here below. So we will explain. And the another way, we can go to toolbar. From here we can see the points, and we can click here, and from here we can see points creation tools. So from here you can click, and the same pop-up menu will open, and from here we can see the different options. If we click here with the points, we can see here create points, miscellaneous, and from here manual, northing, easting, bearing, angle, deflection, and all other option we have here. And also we can see all another option like create points from surface, create points slope, create points group, and create go points. And the next way, if we show menu from here, show menu bar, and now we can see here, then now you can see the point option here. Okay, so also you can just click here, you can click here, and you can again click on this create points from here. Okay, so now this menu will open, and if you click here, you will see the same option from here, create points. Okay, manual, and nothing easting, bearing, angles, and other option you can see here. So these couple ways you can create your points from here easily. Which one is okay for you, you can use the same option. So let me click on this create points creation tool. Now this menu will open, and you can just click on this small arrow. You can resize this pop-up menu from here. If you want to resize, you can easily resize from here. Okay, and if we come here, we can see here this option, miscellaneous, and if we click here, now we can see all these options, and we can use these options. And if we click on this one, we can see direction, distance, direction. These points also we can create from here, object to object, distance object, direction object. And if we click here, we can see the station, divide alignment, measure alignment, add geometry points, and all other points we can also import from file geometry points. And if we click here, we can see the random points on grid, along polyline, and polyline contours. And the next option we can see here, this we have some advanced option on the perpendicular, incremental distance, incremental elevation. And the next point we can see here, high low point, slope grade distance, slope grade. And also at the end you can see that we can import points from here, from this small button. Okay, import points. So all this option is available. If you come to the parameter option here, you can see this parameter option, and we have a lot of details. So first of all, we can see default layer. Okay, and here we can see point creation, and here we can see default style, and here we can see default format, and here we can see point identity. So if you want to change anything, you can change easily from these options very easily. Okay, so if you click on this small plus button, this will open, and here you can see the default layer is vnode. If you want to change the layer, you can easily click on these three dot. Okay, let me show again, vnode, and you can see here the small three dots here. You can click, and you can select any layer which you want, so you can easily select from here. And if you click on the point creation tool, here you can see different option, local coordinate, easting, and northing. If you click here on this small arrow, here you will see easting, northing, easting. You can change the sequence of point, xy or yx. You can select one of them. So let me select easting and northing. Okay, so click here, easting, northing, and again you can see here this grid coordinate. You can also select the grid coordinate from here, grid easting, northing, grid northing. You can just select it from here. And here is the elevation and elevation. If you want to put it manual, automatic, or non, you can just select it. And here is the point name. You can just click the manual if you want to go into manual, or you can just select automatic. So here is the point description. You can just enter it manual, or you can make it automatic, or you can make it with object. And here is the default elevation. If you want to put any elevation for a point, you can easily enter here the elevation. And the next, here is the mesh on description. You can just make it true, Okay, and here is the disable description keys false. You can just change it as per your requirement. And the next option is the style. Here is the point style is basic, point label style is point elevation description. Later we will see how we can change the colors, size, each and everything. And here you can see default name, format, point group, points next. Okay, and here you can see the point identity. If you check here the point identity, and the main thing is that in the point group nameplate, if you click here on these three dots, this pop-up menu will open, and from here you can just select the start number and increment. For example, 1, how much you want to add the increment? 2, 2, 3, 4. So the another will be added 1 by 1 with the 1 increment. And here you can see the number style, 01 you want, 02 you want, or 002. So which one you want, you can just select it from here. Okay, so click OK. Now you can see here the point template also, you can check it, and the same as it is, you can just change it from here. Okay, and the point identity, here you can see the point identity, you can change from here. If you want to change the point identity 1, 2, 3, 4, or how much you want, or you can just, you have 100 points and you are going to start from 101, you can just enter here 101 and start the next point. Here is the point number offset, here is the sequence number, and you can see if number or suppliers use force names. You can just also use this option as per your requirement. So this is the very helpful information. Whenever you are going to create points, you need to do same as it is. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful. We will see in the next tutorial. Goodbye and take care.